If you're looking for a simple Nigerian street snack, this is a video you want to watch to the end. Hello guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Poki bread buns. Yes guys, this video is what you want to watch till the end. So if you're looking for an easy Nigerian street snack, this video is what you want to watch. You're going to learn an easy way to make Poki. We have different names. We call it mbadume, we call it Poki, we call it bread buns. Let's get right into it. So pour in some water into a bowl, then add powdered milk, add granulated sugar. The next ingredient to go in is salt. Okay, so after adding salt, you are going to mix, okay, to dissolve the sugar, the salt, and the powdered milk. So after mixing until dissolved, you're going to be adding vegetable oil. Then you gently mix. So guys, this bread buns recipe is what you're going to love. So here I have flour. You're going to be sifting the flour. So this particular process is very important. Make sure you sift your flour to trap unwanted particles. You don't want particles into your bread buns, okay? So after sifting your flour, you're going to sift your baking powder. Then here is vanilla flavor powder. Then you sift as well. The next thing you're going to do, okay, is to combine. So you're going to keep combining until you get a dough. So guys, I have so many bread buns recipe, up to like 5 to 6 bread buns recipe. Okay, and this is making it, I think, the 7th one. I can't remember, I've lost count. So I'm going to be linking some of them in the description so you see the different ingredients. Like bread buns is a snack that is so filling. You don't really need so much ingredients to make bread buns. It's also called Poki Mbadume. We have different names, okay, it's being called. So at this point, I chose to use my bare hands, okay, so that I can be able to be fast about it, okay, and I can be able to get what I want, because that spatula was not giving me what I want. So I decided to use my hands, okay. So I'm going to keep mixing until I get a dough. So guys, back to what I'm saying. I said if you grew up in Nigeria, you must have come across this street snack. So this was the kind of snack, you know, we enjoy while we were growing up. Like if we were going to school, you know, we always have this snack handy. And the amazing thing about this snack is that it's filling. Like even if you take 1, 2, you know, of this snack, then you take water, like you'll be very okay. So it's a filling snack. You can use baking powder alone to make this snack as a rising agent. You can use yeast, but this particular one I used only baking powder as the rising agent. So as you guys can see, we're going to be covering it and leaving it for about 10 minutes, okay, to rest. So after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. This is our dough. I'm going to place it on a flat surface and I'm going to knead further for about 10 minutes, so that it will be easy for us to work with. So make sure you knead, okay, just to, you know, make the dough easy to work with, right? So this is what we have. The next thing we are going to do is to form it into a bread bun shape. You can just choose any kind of shape you want, but know that when one sees, one can be able to tell, okay, it's bread buns. So this is me spreading out the dough, okay. Just take a close watch, okay, at this particular process. Like I said, you can choose to, you know, go for any shape and sizes you want, okay, but make sure that when one sees it, one can be able to tell that this is bread buns. So I'm spreading out, taking my time to spread out the dough. After spreading out the dough, I'm going to fold it like multiple times. I'm just going to, you know, fold it, spread it, fold it, just to get what I want, okay. You can choose to go for anything you want, provided, okay, you're coming out with, okay, that bread buns, okay, that tasty bread buns. So just take your time at this particular stage, okay, to spread out your dough so that you can be able to get what you want. Bread buns is one snack that is easy to make. Like you don't really need so much ingredients to make bread buns, okay, or Poki or madume or wojon. People have different names. So as you guys can see, I'm folding it, okay. This is the first folding, okay. Then I spread further, then I'm still going to fold it. Just take your time, okay, to look at what I did here to arrive at my final shape. I have different shapes of bread buns in other videos I'm also going to be linking, so you can just go for what you want. Okay, as you guys can see, I folded it again, then I'm spreading it out again. Do you understand? Just do what works for you here. Okay, but this ingredient and the measurement used in this particular recipe will give you a very tasty bread buns. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be leaving the measurements and the ingredients in the description. Make sure you check it out so that you can be able to get the exact taste of this bread buns. This bread buns was absolutely yummy, and it was also soft and good. Okay, as you guys can see, I folded it again the second time. Just watch closely so that you can be able to replicate. So if you want to start this as a business, this is a very good business idea because you're going to get a lot of profit because you don't need too much, okay, to come up with this snack. And as you guys saw, I didn't use egg, okay, so you must not use egg to get that yummy bread buns. You can just go with this ingredient and it will yield a yummy bread bun. As you guys can see, I'm cutting the bread buns, okay, or the bread buns do. Okay, just take your time. So this is what we have. Okay, just take your time to cut it to any shape and size you want. So guys, this recipe is just a simple snack recipe. Like if you grew up in Nigeria, you must have definitely tested this recipe. So I'm done cutting the bread buns though, then I'm transferring it into a plate like so. So the amazing thing I like about bread buns is that it's so filling. If you take a little and take water or soft drink, like you get filled up immediately. Like this snack is so filling and it's so economical for people that have children. You can just make this for your children. They can go to school with it and they can always snack with it. And these bread buns, okay, this particular one, okay, it's very very soft. Children can enjoy it so well. So we are done, and the next thing we are going to be doing is to pour in vegetable oil into a heated pan. Okay, we're going to be frying this. You can as well bake it, okay, but when you're baking, you're going to add more of butter so that you will not have a very strong bread buns. So after heating up the oil, then I'm going to be adding the bread buns to like so. Okay, and make sure that you don't overcrowd the oil with the bread buns too, right? So after that, I'm going to be mixing at intervals, like turning it at intervals so it wouldn't get burnt, and make sure that you're frying on a low medium heat. You don't want to fry on a high heat so it will not get burnt. Okay, just take your time, make sure that your heat is not too much, because if your heat is too much, it's going to cook on the outside but it's not going to cook on the inside, and that is not what you want. So we want our bread buns to cook evenly. Okay, we want a yummy bread buns, and you have to regulate your heat. You don't want your heat to be too high, you don't also want your heat to be too low, because if your heat is too low, it's going to soak oil, and that is not what we want. We want a perfect bread buns, and you can achieve that by regulating your heat. Make it medium heat, low medium heat, for you to get the best result. So once your bread buns, okay, is golden brown, it's time to transfer it into a paper towel. Then you leave it, okay, to drain excess oil. So this snack is very easy to come up with. Like you don't need to waste much of your time. If you have your ingredients, and I'm going to be leaving, okay, the ingredients in the description. Most people find difficult to locate the description. When you're watching this video, just go down, okay, you're going to see an arrow. Just tap if you take it to the description, where you're going to see the details, the ingredient and the measurement of this particular recipe. So guys, we are already done. The next thing we're going to do, okay, is to get it off heat. Okay, and we're going to leave it to drain excess oil. So guys, it's simple to come up with. If you've not made poki before, you've not made bread buns or madume, depending on what you call it, okay, people have different names they call this particular snack. Okay, if you've not made it before, just take your time, watch this video to the end, make sure that you go to the description to check the measurement and the ingredients, and just follow exactly this process, and I bet you are going to get it even from the very first try. This is an easy snack, anyone can just replicate and get it. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are getting it off the oil. Then after that, you're going to fry the next batch until you exhaust your dough. So guys, this is what we have. This is our bread buns. As you guys can see, it's so yummy. It's so tasty. It's so soft. It's so nice. I want you and I would like you to try out this bread buns recipe, and you're definitely going to love it. Don't forget to check the description for the measurements of this recipe. So guys, it's time for us to open the inside so you see how the inside looks like. Are you seeing how the inside of these bread buns look like? It's dry, it didn't soak oil, it's soft, it's tasty, and it's yummy. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye.